இது famous scientist and the discovery. Theory of buoyancy. Electromagnetic theory. Very good. Letter press printing. Sorry, letter press printing. Tell me only letter press printing. Theory of relativity. Combustion engine. Huh? What is this? Combustion engine? Kathama solle. Is the combustion engine? Kathama solle. Combustion engine enna? Yaar kandupidichanga combustion engine? X-ray? Bicycle? Bicycle yarma? Neha, bicycle yaare? Pocket watch? Very good. Telephone? Television? Dynamo? Automobile and combustion machine? Daimler. MP3 technology? Very good. Brandenburg. After homeopathy? Homeman. Helicopter? Who's he? Heinrich. Genes yaar kandupidichanga? Very good. Father of nuclear chemistry? Very good. Record player? Scanner and fax? Scanner and fax? Very good. Rudolf Kell சொல்லுங்க. Rudolf Kell. அப்புறம் எலக்ட்ரிக் லைட் யாரு?